Hello everyone, this is Avaranjan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Sora AI. So, Sora AI is an advanced artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI, and that basically specializes in generating high quality videos from text prompt. So, it is developed to create realistic and visually, compelling videos based on user description and making powerful tools for content creator, marketer, and filmmaker. So the thing is, you need to explore Sora AI on a good manner because it has a many more key feature. The most useful key feature are text to video generation, high resolution output, customizable scenes, AI powered creativity, efficient and fasting. So these are the things that you can get through Sora AI. Without wasting time, I'm going to show this practically that how you can explore Sora AI. For this, you need to go with Google search, type Sora AI on Google, and you will get first link. And as it is product of OpenAI, so you can see the URL openai.com Sora. So you need to click on that, or you can go with ChatGPT also. Click on ChatGPT, and at the after getting into a login, you are going to see Sora here. And after clicking on that, you can also jump into the Sora AI platform. So this is the thing that you need to do. You just log into ChatGPT and find Sora AI. But one thing I want to suggest you that this is feature coming in only paid subscription of OpenAI right now. So you need to go with the premium plan for this, and it costs around $20 plus taxes. So this you need to explore, first thing. And the second thing is you need to go with the prompts in Sora AI to get the desired output. So I'm just giving you one example. You can see here you need to describe your video. So I'm taking one example. I want to create a cinematic scene, and we describe this kind of thing. And let me go with the click. So prompt engineering is the thing for getting into the different generative AI tool. If you are smart enough in generating good prompt, you are going to get good output. I have made some of the videos on prompt engineering. You can check with my playlist AI tools, and here you are going to get the information that how you can make your own prompt and how you can go with the best suggestion of prompting and all. You can learn the prompt engineering from watching my video, or you can hire me for prompt engineering thing. I will show you everything. So this is the thing. Whenever you are utilizing any AI tool or any generative AI product, you need to go with the prompting part at the best. You need to go with the things on a high note. So here you can see this is generating video. It is taking time, and you can see this is the final output. Let me show you the video. So based on the prompt that I have given, it has created a video. So I have used ChatGPT for prompting also. So you can also use ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to give a proper prompt for your video generation. So this is the way you can explore. Just log in into ChatGPT with a premium prompt and go with the Sora AI and click on the discover part and just write a prompt. You are going to get the result. So start exploring all this thing. And if you have any question related to generative AI tools and prompt engineering, ChatGPT, then you can reach me through my website abaranjan.com. I will come up with more important useful video in the future. Thank you for watching.